Tips about our OEE Toolkit service and support. Hi, I'm Rose from Full Fact, and in this OEE Toolkit tip, I'll talk about the Full Fact Support Center. The Full Fact Support Center is for all your questions about the OEE software or other related issues. After installing the OEE Toolkit, you get access to support, maintenance, updates, and the OEE Toolkit knowledge base. Please go to the Support Center on our site where you can create an account with your business email address. You will receive an email with an activation link, and after the activation, you can log in to the Support Center and create your ticket. Our team is ready to answer all your questions during office hours. If necessary, it is also possible to help you by starting a remote session, after your approval, of course. We use TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or a VPN connection to your network. And we can also schedule a Teams meeting to help you. When we answer the ticket, you will receive an email. Go to the Support Center and you will see an overview of all your tickets and answers, and you can also reply to your tickets here. If an issue is solved, the support agent will close the ticket. And that's it for the tip on service and support. We hope you find this information useful. Please contact us if you have more questions. See you next time. Bye bye.